Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. At times there can be an area or item at home about which we remain clueless in terms of its organization or decor. Though eventually we all find a way, initial indecisiveness on how to go about it can lead to little unwanted mess. In today's video, I will be sharing with you few hacks and tips which should augment our needs to stay organized. Let's get started. If you have this type of plate drawer where you store glasses and bowls on the side, then you all must be facing an issue of these sliding and falling while opening the drawer. So to avoid that, you can take two baskets like these and lay an anti-slip liner on them. Place these baskets in the drawer and store glasses and bowls separately. Now items won't fall off while opening the drawer and space will also look more organized. If you have kids, then packing gifts for birthday parties must be a frequent task. And to make life easy, we all prefer to store few gift wrapping rolls at home. But if not kept properly, they do get crumbled. To store and organize them nicely, you can use this type of polybag organizer. Due to its good height, it can easily hold gift wrapping rolls, chart papers, brown papers, etc. and accessing them would be so easy. While cooking, we all must have faced a challenge of kitchen towels slipping and falling with frequent touches. To keep it intact, you can attach a Velcro on the side of the towel. Now Velcro will hold the towel and keep it intact. Labeling is one thing which has been always emphasized on our channel, and to make beautiful and attractive labels, you really don't need expensive label maker. You just need a few cloth tags like these and cloth drawing clips. Print the names with font of your choice on regular A4 sheet. Cut the names individually and now paste them on these tags. This will give labels a good base. Now with the help of cloth drawing clips, attach them in the baskets. Easy labels at home. To organize your kitchen knives and scissors, you can make a beautiful knife holder at home. Take any transparent glass, jar, jug or vase. Now take different types of beans like rajma, lobia and fill them like this. 1/3 part each type. Once filled, it will look like this. Now you can use it to hold all your knives and scissors. Make sure your knives are clean and dried before placing them inside. For Diwali and regular decor, we all must be having multiple fairy lights. To organize them after usage and avoid tangling, use empty toilet paper rolls and wrap the lights like this. Easy peasy. Now you won't have to struggle untangling them when using next time. If you're short on storage space in the bathroom, you can use this type of magnetic knife holder to organize your grooming accessories such as scissor, filer, tweezer, nail clippers, tic tacs, etc. If you love baking, you must be using these measuring cups all the time. To organize these cups and accessing the right one when needed can be time consuming. To organize these cups, you can use these type of wired command hooks on the door of any cabinet. Now you can organize all the measuring cups individually and access them easily when needed. Party gowns and long dresses are difficult to hang on the hangers due to their length. To hang them, put one hanger on the neck and use another hanger at the mid of the length to fold the dress in half. Now you can hang the dress easily. For daily, monthly cleaning, we all use different types of gloves, dusters, etc. Keeping them organized and visible can be a challenge if you have limited space. Here you can utilize the door space by placing this type of over-the-door multi-hook. Now you can hang all your cleaning accessories, making them visible and easily accessible. If you like to change earrings every day, then storing and accessing them should be an easy task. To make an easy DIY earring organizer, you can use this type of gas roaster which has this mesh. You can decorate it a bit if you wish to and hang it on the door of the dressing table. It will not only make your earrings organized, but all your collection will be now visible so that you can choose them easily as per your attire. Last but not the least, if you're fond of clutch bags, then this hack is for you. To organize your clutch bags, you can use this type of plate rack. It will keep all your clutch bags in upright position, visible and neatly organized. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.